wow. What's Navi? Oh.
Hi.
Oh, wow. Hi.
What's his name?
This is Gerardo.
Hi, Gerardo.
Here you go. It's 4th of July. I got suckers for everything.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Here, take these.
Oh. Stand still.
Suckers, put your foot up.
You have long teeth.
No, no, no.
You have long teeth.
We don't want to tear up the grass.
Hey,
He shouldn't eat any.
Hey, you have long teeth.
He's got teeth. Big teeth.
Why do you?
Oh, you can't
No.
ride him.
Oh.
Oh.
He's just out spreading cheer today.
Oh.
Oh, it's so nice.
He's
Can I take a picture of him and put it on our page?
Oh,
on Facebook?
please,
Oh,
yes.
yeah. Hey, sit still. Oh. She's like,
You're gonna take a picture.
turn around now.
Turn
look.
around.
Hey,
Turn
no,
around.
Look. Stop. That works.
be an impatient. I want you to step on my foot with the other foot. Okay? I'm gonna grab this hand and you're gonna swing that leg over.
She's pretty heavy herself.
Okay, come on.
No, I'm scared.
No, you're okay. You're okay. You're gonna scare the horse.
I want to
It's
get
okay.
down. I want to get
Okay.
down.
All
I want
right.
to get down.
Okay.
I like to ride little horses.
You're too big for the little horse.
Let's try this one more time.
Do I get it right?
I got one.
Don't kill my coffee.
Not,
no, you're
calm
okay.
down.
Calm down.
Navi,
You
calm down.
Are you good?
What are you scared of?
And get up.
Why?
okay.
Why?
Navi, you up here now?
Oh my gosh.
There you go.
Good job, Navi.
Pick up the reins. Pick them up off the ground. There you go. Walk him this way. Come on. Turn him around. Turn him around.
Turn him around, Navi.
We stopped at one place and I turned around.
Now bring him back over this way. Pick his head up. So
Navi,
bring him here.
good job.
It's almost like walking a dog. Come on. He's got shoes because he's got bad front feet right now. Hey, put your head up. Back up on the grass. Back up.
I've ridden a pony before.
Wanna sit on him or no? Ho ho. Watch out.
I like little horses.
Stand still. Stop.
Get back, Navi.
Stand still.
I'm afraid of heights.
Girl, it's not heights. He's not that high.
Are you done walking around?
I like sitting on little horses. They're not that high.
Well, she's